G'day, Adam Grocke from Johnston Grocke. Welcome to the Finance Update. First one for 2020. We've been a little bit slow this year getting it out, but we've been under the pump, which is fantastic. So, two things I just want to cover off. Interest rates at the moment. Now, the RBA did not cut interest rates this month, which is an interesting move. They're doing that for a couple of reasons. One, they're just going to pause and see what's happening with the economy. And given the coronavirus and also the bushfires, they want to see what impact that has on the economy, and also is the government going to increase spending on infrastructure, therefore lifting jobs and some inflation. So an interesting pause. We're still expecting maybe 1 or 2 rate cuts this year. There's no sign of rates going up at any stage in the near future, which is fantastic news for mortgage holders. For deposit holders, not so good. The property market seems to be going okay in South Australia, just chugging along, doing its thing. A little bit of growth, a little bit of activity, which has been great. And what we've seen is the government launched their first home loan deposit scheme. Now, I'm going to do a whole second video on that because it's actually quite complicated, but that has definitely seen an increase in first home buyers coming into the market. You need to meet the criteria, but it's actually very good for those that do qualify for it, and the lenders are starting to fill up their books. There's a certain amount that they can give out, and we've already had a couple of lenders say that they're full. So if you are a first home buyer, or if you know one, get your skates on, because you're going to miss out if you don't apply for that really quickly. Interest rates are really still low. I mean, it's unbelievable how low interest rates are at the moment, and are going to be there for the foreseeable future. Really, interest rates around 2.69, so pretty good rate at the moment. I wouldn't be looking at fixing unless you had a really good reason to fix, so stay variable. If you've got any questions, let me know. Happy to take referrals, happy to catch up and have a chat about your personal situation as well. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.